Right, we are getting on quite nicely. There's old Stevie. He's busy trying to catch me up. I've just been disking that bit there in front, as you can see here. I just want to, before I go too much further, I want to just disc this bit. But what we need to do is we need to open the disc up a bit, because it's like the surface of the moon. They've been putting trees out here in the past. As you can probably tell, it's a tree plantation. And this particular bit, they've not backfilled them, or they've done a very poor job of backfilling them. So we're going to near that, isn't it? We are going to just open this up, so we're chucking a bit more soil about. Run this front set flat out. Actually no, we won't, we'll put it in 3. So we can chuck a bit more soil about, fill the holes in a bit more, hopefully. That's the hope anyway. Oh yeah, a bit tight. Probably make the old full growl a bit more. It seems it's well, you want a level seabed anyway, but it's kind of even more important when you're putting grass in. You don't want your bloody bouncing in and out of holes when you're cutting grass, do you? So we see if we can start the levelling process. Well on that one. Yeah. But it is ploughing in nice now. It's a bit machine intensive and labour intensive, but you know, we're disking it, then powering it, then ploughing it. But you know, it's the only time we're going to have to do it for next 3 years. We're putting a 3-year lay in, so I did put that on the right one, didn't I? Yes. So yeah, if you're going to do it, you might as well do it right, ain't you? Right. They're a bit more aggressive. I'll see how we get on. good old holes about in here. Up in here, toughen up a bit. I think we need to give it a couple of passes.